Hello over there and welcome to WordPress channel. So in this particular video tutorial, we are going to be learning how to add product to our e-commerce website. So if your website is an e-commerce website, so then basically e-commerce website is a website where people can be able to you can be able to buy and sell products. So if you are the owner of an e-commerce website built with WordPress, WooCommerce specifically, so this video you're going to learn how to add products. So now I'm presently in my dashboard as an admin. So all you have to do is to navigate to, there are a lot of tabs here, but the one that you are most concerned about is the product tabs here. So when you click on the product tab, then click on add new product. So in this case, after clicking on add new product, then this product name is whereby you are going to add the name of your product. So let me say HOG peanut. So this is the name of the product. Then if you have a longer description of the product that you want to add, you can add it here. So I can say HOG peanut, the milky crunchy peanut with made of high quality ingredients and blah blah blah. So if you have other information that you want to put, so you can put it in this product description. So this is actually for longer description. Then you have, when you scroll down a bit, you have the product short description. So in this description I can say so I can say paint of rubber peanuts, so I can say 2 kg. So for instance, so you can add any other information you want to add. So I'm just going to make it simple. I can just make it paint of rubber peanut. So after adding that, then the next part that is very important is the product image. So this is where you get to add the image of the product. So the next part that I want to talk about is the product image. So this is where you add product image. For instance, if I should visit this particular website that I'm working on, so this is the shop page. So I have a lot of products there, which are I have about 25 products. So this picture that you are going to see on the archive on the shop page is called the featured image. That is the first image that I want people to see. So in this case, I'm going to set product. So you click on set product image. So you can either upload an existing picture, or you can either choose from any existing picture that you have, or you upload a new picture. So let's say I want to use a new picture. So I'm just going to click on upload files. So then I'm going to click on upload files. So I have the files that is here, but there is also something that you must also taking notice of. So in order to make your website very fast, you must ensure to optimize the images that you are going to be using. So what this means is that, for instance, this particular image that I want to use is 1.95 megabytes. So it is best to recommend to optimize your image so that it is under 1 megabyte. So I highly recommend this online tool, which is picadjust.verso.app. So the tool allows you to optimize your images so that you can be able to reduce your image. For instance, instead of uploading the high quality image, so I can resize the picture. So I'm going to click on resize single pictures, or I can click and then I'll upload the pictures. So I click on the picture. So presently it's telling me that the picture is about 1.966 megabytes. So if you notice that it's a bit too high, so you can then click on let me resize it to 1000. So and then you see from 1.96 megabytes, now I have the newer version that it's about 906 kilobytes. So if you also want to take it further, you can click on optimize picture. So resize means that you are decreasing the size, while optimize means that you can do a lot of things, whether you want to reduce the size, you want to change the format and like. So I'm going to upload the picture again. So now I have the size, which is 2000 in width and 2000 in height. So I'm just going to leave it at 1000. You don't need too much dimensions in your product. So then now I have the new size at 180. So and the reason why it's 180 is because the picture is originally in PNG format, and PNG is very high, which is 906 kilobytes. But when I need to change it to JPG, now I have 180 kilobytes. Then I can download the image. So now I've downloaded the image. So now I've downloaded the image. So I'm just going to go back to where I want to upload my picture. Then I'm going to click on picture. So instead of using this picture, which is 1.95 megabyte, I'm going to use this new one, which is just 180 kilobyte. So then after uploading the picture, I'm going to click on set product image. So now I've set the product image. Then the next part that I want to fill is the regular price. So the regular price is the original price of that particular product. So let's say a pint of peanut is 16. In this case, I'm using the currency that I'm using is dollars. So if your store is in naira, so you can use naira as well. So let's say it's $35 for the price. So then the sale price is the discount price. It's just like maybe a product is originally 50,000 naira, and you now want to say a product is originally $50, and you are now going a discount to sell it $20. So all I have to do is to click on the sale price. So that means instead of 35, people will purchase it for 20. So then the next part that you also want to talk about is the so after filling the price, the next part that you want to talk about is the inventory part. So the inventory part is if the product is presently in stock, you can click on in stock. So that is people can continue to purchase it. But if the product is out of stock, so you can click on this out of stock. That is the product is no longer in stock. So it controls whether the product is listed and it's as in stock or not stock. So it also wants to track the stock quantity of this product. All you have to do is to click on this. So let's say you want to show on it on the website, just click on, let me say 2 on the website. Then you also have the product gallery images. So this is where when you click on a single product and you open it, you'll be able to see other pictures of the product. So in this case, I'm just click on add product galleries. Although this part is actually optional, but if you want to add it, it's fine as well. Then let me upload this as well, 781 kilobyte. So in this case, let's say I want to use this particular picture and this picture as the product gallery image. So all I have to do is click on this and then click on this as well. So I'm going to click on the two, then click on add to gallery. So now I have the two galleries. So then the product categories is where you have the category of the product. So if you already have some categories on the website on here, then you can either check the box for here. But if you don't have any category, or the categories that you have here is not compatible with the product that you're adding, then you can click on this to add a new category. So I can say snacks and then click on add new category. So after adding that one, then when you are done filling this, although there are a lot of other parts that you can fill there, but these are the most important details that you need to fill on the part. Then when you are done with it, click on publish. So after publishing the product, then you can be able to, when you can either click on this view product to see the product, or even if you go to your shop and you refresh this, you see the new product. So let me say so yeah, you can see this is the product. So the 35 simply means that this is 35, it's 35, it's originally 35, but the new price is 20. So when you click on the product, you can see you have 2 in stock, which is because of the 2 which is the inventory that we just did here. That is, we only have the quantity here. So that is how to add a new product on your website. And these are the gallery image. So you can see from here, you can, so if you want to add as many pictures as you want, you can actually add it here. So that is how to add a product on your e-commerce website. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave a comment and I'll reply as soon as possible. Until the next time, feel free to visit our website at www.21world.com.